Hey guys, this is Poonam. Welcome to Bosworth Community Center yoga class. Today I am going to walk you through yoga asanas which will focus on the upper body joints flexibility. This is suitable for beginners. This is suitable for everyone. So let's take any comfortable easy posture on the chair. You don't need to have any fancy yoga clothes on. You can do whatever you are wearing, but it should be a bit comfortable or a bit loose for your body. So you can have all the movement into that cloth. So once you have taken comfortable seated posture, make your spine straight. Drop your both hands softly on the top of your thighs or knees, wherever you feel comfortable, leaving your shoulders soft and relaxed. Focus on your body. Here I will recommend you, if you're having garden, you can try this asana in your garden so you can enjoy the fresh air, closing your eyes for a couple of minutes. Once you closed your physical eyes, your mind goes inside, visualizing your physical body, relaxing your legs, relaxing your arms, relaxing your back, relaxing every chest muscles and your abdomen organ, all facial muscles. Focusing on your breath, take a deep cleansing breath through your nostrils. Open your mouth and breathe out. And again. And again. Slowly open your eyes. So this was the Kriya or work to bring your mind on your body, and now your body and mind are attached or connected. Please stretching your both arms in front of you. Fingers are straight. As you inhale, your fingertips going towards the sky. If you are sitting inside a room, just imagine the blue sky over your head. As you exhale, your fingertips going to face to the earth. So let's do 5 breaths. Inhaling deep, exhale to drop your hands and relax. This asana or exercise is suitable for the people who works from home too. If you do a lot of work on computer or laptop or maybe on your phone, that relaxes your shoulder muscles and your fingers, wrist, elbows. Now once you relax, stretching your both arms once again and wriggling all your fingers 10 times with your 10 breaths. So coordinate your breath and your finger movement together. Now drop your hands, relax. Your body should be relaxed before you are forwarding or before you start a new movement in your body. When you are ready, stretching your arms forward, all the fingers are collected. So inhalation, your hands are open. Exhalation, you are squeezing and making very tight fist with your both hands. So let's go for 10 breaths. Drop your hands softly. When you're dropping, you're completely leaving your shoulders, elbows, and your palm. After 2 to 3 breaths, come back, stretching your both arms again, palm facing forward, fingers are collected. So inhale, exhale. Now we are ready. Inhale, stretch all your fingers. Exhale, curl your fingers. So you're curling like that. All the nerves, all the joints of your hands are engaged. So it should be look like that, very tight, deep curl in your fingers. So let's focus on your 10 breaths. Lovely deep curl you're having in your both hands. Now leave your curly fingers like that and wriggle all 3 joints, your shoulders, elbows and your wrist. 10 breaths. Drop your hands and relax. Now here you definitely need relaxation. So relaxing all 3 joints. Feel the rejuvenation power in your both arm joints. Once you're relaxed, after 2 to 3 breaths, come back to Yoga Asana. Stretching your both arms again in front of your chest. This time your palm is facing up, facing towards the sky. Take a deep cleansing breath and feel the airflow in your body. Fold your both arms by your elbows, touching your shoulders softly. And exhale. So let's do 5 times with your breath like beautiful. Open your shoulders left and right again 5 times. Now your fingers or your hands will reach towards the sky. So stretching and inhale. Exhale, touching your shoulders. Ready for 5 breaths. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's go back to relaxing posture. You can sit back so your spinal bones touching the back of the chair. Sit back and relax. We are going to focus on the flexibility in our spine. So let's open your knees like that, dropping your both hands on the top of your knees and take a deep cleansing breath. Feel the power strength in your body. You're growing towards the sky, so your crown of the head going towards the sky, lengthening your spine. Exhale, press your sit bone, so both sit bone on the seat of the chair. 2 more, inhale. You're growing like a tree, from plant to a big tree. Exhale. You're rooting into the earth by your sit bone. 1 more, inhale. Exhale. Now in your next breath, you are going to form arch in your upper body. So as you inhale, you are moving forward by your heart. Leave your shoulders there at the same place. You are not moving your shoulders. So inhale, move forward by your heart. Chin up. As you are ready to exhale, round your back and chin tucking in your chest. So forming curl in your back now. So you're hunching back. Let's do 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come to neutral posture. Fine. So as you're ready to inhale, reaching towards the sky with your right arm and lengthening your right side of your body. As you exhale, you are bending to your left side. So giving side arch to your body. Look towards the sky or imaginary sky. Gaze up. Let's have 5 breaths. Now you are breathing in through your rib cage. So enjoy your rib cage breath. and come to the center. So that's why my suggestion was, when you are sitting in the garden, you can visualize the blue sky, and you can get so much positive energy inside you when you are doing yoga or any exercise in nature. So let's change the side very gracefully. You're lengthening your left side of your body. Inhale and drop your body to your right side. Gaze up. Exhale. Stay for 4 more breaths. Beautiful. Slowly come to the center. Drop your hands down and drop your back on the back of the chair. Just sit back to comfortable posture. Close your eyes and relax. You are opening your knees once again, dropping your hands on the top of your knees, and inhale. You are going to back, so your back is touching. It's very important, you are having a bit gap between the back of the chair and your back or hips, so you're having a space to go backward. So let's start again. So as you inhale, your upper back is touching the chair. As you exhale, you are making a big circle. Your chest is scooping over the ground and look forward. Let's have 5 circles. Complete the circle. Inhale. Exhale. This is called dancing on the tailbone. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. 2 more. Inhaling deep. Exhale. So any trapped energy in your back will release in this asana. After 5 breaths, let's go anti-clockwise. Inhaling, opening every joint on your spine. Exhale. Inhaling deep. Exhale, creating fluidity in your spine. Inhale. Exhale, beautiful. Inhaling deep. Exhale, and 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep. And exhale to relax. Now, this is time to sit back in comfortable posture. As you inhale, very calmly or peacefully, you are looking to your left side. Exhale. Stay here for 2 more breaths. Coming to the center gently. Let's change the side. Inhale. Exhaling and relaxing. 2 more breaths. Next breath, bring your neck in neutral posture. As you're ready to inhale, allow your head to drop backward, feeling the stretch up to your thyroid gland. Staying for 3 breaths. Inhale, coming to the center. Exhale, chin touching your chest. And 2 more breaths. Next inhalation, bring your head to neutral posture, rubbing your both hands gently. Once you feel warmth generated in your hands, covering your eyes, gentle pressure on your eyes, and slowly slide your hands down. Thank you very much for joining me. Have a beautiful day.